What are the risks of leaving feces and guano in an attic if it's not a regularly used space?
So the concerns with leaving it there is it is a microscopic airborne virus. Your air conditioner moves air around. Your soffit vents vent out through the top of your roof. So there is air moving in your attic. You know, I would say probably 7 out of 10 houses, their attic ladder doesn't close properly. So there's always a gap there. If you have can lights, there's gaps around your lights where the lights come from the attic down into the room, whether it be a crawl space between the first and second floor or the attic. So there is lots of gaps between your attic and your living space. If it's windy outside, it'll create basically like a overpressure system in your attic that will blow, air is going to follow the path of least resistance. So if that path of least resistance is into your living space, then that's where it's going to go. So that's the major concern with leaving everything.